Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of adorable crochet and exploring some super cute keychain ideas. These little guys are perfect for adding a touch of personality to your keys, bags, or even just for display. Let's get started. Let's start with some simple and sweet. This little heart keychain is a beginner friendly project that's perfect for practicing your basic stitches. You can customize it with different colors and add little embellishment like beads or buttons. Now let's get a little more creative. This adorable little cat keychain is sure to charm everyone. We will use basic shape and some simple color changes to bring this cute kitty in life. You can easily adopt this pattern to create other animals like dogs, bears, or even pandas. For those who love a bit more challenge, let's try our hand at the first whimsical ice cream cone keychain. We will use different colors and texture to create the realistic look. You can also try your hand at crocheting other fun food like mini pizza and cupcake. Here are few tips to help you create the cutest keychains ever. Choose high quality yarn that's soft and durable. Experiment with different hook sizes to achieve the desired look. And don't be afraid to get creative with embellishments. Beads, buttons, or even tiny charms can add a special touch. I hope you can enjoy this video and got inspired to create some adorable keychains of your own. Remember to have fun and experiment with different colors and designs. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your fellow crochet lovers. Happy crocheting! I hope so you liked all these designs and ideas. If you do so, hit the like button of the video and do subscribe my channel. And there are many tutorials available in this channel for keychain designs and ideas and how can you crochet these designs. You can visit all these tutorials and comment me below if you want some other tutorials about these designs. I will see you in my next upcoming videos. Till then, take care of yourself and must remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.